Hey everyone, Zach Petroka Properties team with Coldwell Banker Village Green Realty. And today, I'm in the West Saugerties community. This immaculate 3-bed, 3.5 bath, custom-built cape on 3.3 acres is a dream. Come take a look with me. Through the front door, you're greeted with cathedral ceilings, solid oak hardwood floors, and custom accent walls. The foyer then opens up to an expansive living room with an added wood stove for ambiance. Entertaining is never an issue with an expansive breakfast bar, custom red oak cabinets, and a harmonious floor plan to entertaining family and friends. Just off the dining room, you will find the newly built sunroom and large entertaining deck facing a private wooded backyard. The sunroom adds another dimension to the home and offers all-season relaxation, being equipped with both heating and cooling. Head upstairs and you'll find an additional full bathroom, 2 great-sized bedrooms, and additional attic space for storage. If that is not enough, there's also a full basement completely finished with a kitchenette and full bath. With its own private entrance through the 2-car attached garage, guests will feel right at home. The property also has an impressive 30 by 60 garage that is fully insulated with its own electric. Currently used as a woodworking shop, this detached garage would be suitable for an artist studio, mechanic shop, or an at-home gym. The opportunities are truly endless. The property offers complete seclusion while still being minutes away from Woodstock and the village of Saugerties. Being one of 2 homes on the street, privacy will never be an issue for this private oasis. Nearby, you'll find access to all the amenities you could want, including farmers markets, hiking, biking, sculpture parks, an indoor tennis and pool club, Hits horse farms, popular restaurants, and so much more. I want to thank everyone for coming out with me today to the Saugerties community, 16 Cowboy Trail. Give us a call today.